Angelina 2.
Hey everybody, I'm Angelina and this is our latest flagship phone, the new Motorola Edge 30 Pro or Motorola Edge Plus for the North American market. This new Edge device brings an incredible variety of premium experiences. Starting off with the design, which is absolutely stunning, you'll notice that the back has a smooth 3D satin glass, which virtually eliminates fingerprints and smudges. And this phone comes in two beautiful colors, Cosmos Blue and Stardust White. Our latest Motorola Edge is packed with the fastest and most powerful mobile platform. The industry-leading Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 fuels all the incredible features that I love, like state-of-the-art camera system, 5G speeds, super quick charging capabilities, and so much more. And if you're like me and you're always playing games or watching content on your phone, you will love the 6.7-inch OLED Full HD Plus display. With it, you can view over 1 billion shades of true-to-life color with improved brightness and contrast. This display also has an unbelievably fast 144 Hz refresh rate, which means action-packed entertainment is incredibly smooth and fluid. We've also included stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Atmos for multi-dimensional surround sound, so your favorite entertainment always sounds richer and more natural. In addition, you'll be ready for every scenario with a powerful triple high-resolution camera. The 50-megapixel main camera captures breathtaking details, while the 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera is perfect for landscape photos, group shots, and capturing the smallest details by switching to macro vision. The new Motorola Edge includes our first camera with omnidirectional phase detection autofocus, but we refer to it as instant all-pixel focus. This is a new flagship standard for autofocus. It provides focus information both vertically and horizontally, so the cameras can focus faster and more accurately in the dark. This means you'll be able to take stunning ultra-high resolution shots in any light. But that's not all. We also included a 60-megapixel front-facing camera, which takes super high-res selfies that need no filter when posting to social media. Our new Motorola Edge also works with our Ready For platform, which I'm always using to extend my content to bigger screens or to multitask on my PC. And last but not least, this device is powered by a 4800 milliamp battery and our fastest turbo power charging ever. It's capable of speeds up to 68 watts. I hope you enjoy our new smartphone as much as I do.